What is offside?
My foot on your head is offside. कहाँ होता था?
TV.
I mean channel. I went to the channel.
Yes.
हमारे जमाने में हम पेपर में देखा.
You can say कि जब फुटबॉल की और एक्सट्रीम अच्छे तरीके से समझ पड़ी तब आया.
हाँ वो बोल सकते हो.
लिवरपूल, आर्सेनल, Tottenham I feel might surprise a little bit this time, and Aston Villa.
जेरार्डो वो टाइम पे भी वो स्क्रीमर्स मार ही रहा था. I'm like भाई कहाँ से गोल मार रहा है. Like this is a great team. सोलो चला जाता but then defender था तो मुश्किल था वो.
वही वाला था पूरा फील्ड.
That guy is getting sacked. I feel
I
bad
think
for
he
him.
has some leverage on the owners. That's why he's not getting sacked. मुझे तो लगा था you'd say Pep.
I would want to swap my life with someone like Mario Balotelli जो था हमारे यहाँ पे. भाई
ऑडियो कर रहे दोनों कोचेस. ऑडियो ऑल नो फॉल.
आई थिंक गोवा में तो फिट ही हो जाएगा. लाइक पता चला ये माते वाते छोड़ो. लाइक यहाँ पे फेनी मिलता है. गोल सीरीज. Not the one. Not
the
Bollywood one. Not John Abraham and Ashad Arjun.
I judged you for 2 seconds later. Hello everyone and welcome to A Page From Your Life, where we bring to you real people sharing real stories with real experiences. Are you somebody who is a crazy sports fan to an extent कि आपका पूरा week, पूरा day, everything, special moments, all of it, everything revolves around this one particular team or one particular sport? If you do, then do not worry, you're not alone. Today I have with me 2 crazy football fans जिनकी पूरी life, जिनके life की special events, all of it surrounds this one team that they crazily support. I have with me, hidden behind pillows, Bhomik and Gunjan, my brother and my husband. So welcome to this setup.
Thank you.
Obviously, if for people who know me, उनको पता है कि I'm a crazy football fan, I'm a Liverpool supporter, and if there's one thing which is a must thing, which is a rule हमारे household का is कि everybody eventually ends up being a Liverpool supporter, be it मेरा doggo हो कि be it मेरा बच्चा हो जो 2 साल का है, but that's a given. We all have our jerseys on, so no prize in guessing that. But without having to focus on which team you support, just want to know, when did you start following football? Yeah, when did you get into this sport, and just the deets. You can go first because you're grandpa when it comes to football supporting.
And it's almost like 2000, 2001, that was the season when I started. So very less games used to air
कहाँ होता था?
TV.
I mean channel. I went to the channel.
Yes.
हमारे जमाने में हम पेपर में देखा
He
करते थे.
judged me. He's like, TV? Duh, stupid.
So we had those ESPNs तो वहाँ पे आते थे, and started watching back then, and I think the first team I fell in love with was Liverpool, because great players that I saw back then, Gerrard, Owen, Heskey, everyone were playing. So really great team, liked the way they used to play, and that's when I fell in love with Liverpool. But in terms of football, I've been playing from a very young age. I've also visited all these local national tournaments like Subrata Cup and all that used to happen along with my dad. So it was a very early involvement into football. But in terms of pledging allegiance to one team, I think that's when it happened. Yeah.
You can say कि जब फुटबॉल की और एक्सट्रीम अच्छे तरीके से समझ पड़ी तब आया.
हाँ वो बोल सकते हो. But I mean एक टाइम पे यही आ गया कि you have to pledge allegiance to at least one of them, and I felt कि वो team best थी because of all the players that were there. I mean Gerardo वो टाइम पे भी वो screamers मार ही रहा था. I'm like भाई कहाँ से गोल मार रहा है. Like this is a great team.
You are best friends with somebody who is a Man United fan. How does that translate in your friendship? I mean,
that's what keeps it alive and kicking because I mean,
I mean, not just that. I hope.
I feel bad that guy has not been able to have a comeback in the past few seasons, but that's how it has been. Because early on it used to be crazy banter. So I think that is real because we went through all those hot Sundays and we receive all the abuse. So it's only fair that while they are going through the entire Ole, Ragnick, Ten Hag phase, that I do the same. So
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you really wanted to help that guy या फिर you know there was something but then you realize he's a United fan and then you just became mean or something like
I mean,
I mean have you stooped down to that level?
no, not really.
Good. चलो at least थोड़ा ये रखा है. Good.
I mean, we used to play football even during school, right? And half the time that कशमकश used to come कि ball pass करो कि नहीं ये तो United वाला
फिर realize हम एक ही टीम में खेल रहे हैं.
मैं ही सोलो चला जाता but then defender था तो मुश्किल था वो
वही वाला था पूरा फील्ड.
कोई नहीं हो सकता है. You never know. अगर एलिसन गोल मार सकता है तो डिफेंडर मार ही सकता है. Won't be the first one to do it, na? Bhavik, what about you? No, you go, then I'll ask. No, please go. Then I'll ask. Then I'll bring all the skeletons. Pehle you say, how did you get into football?
So back in childhood we used to play because people used to follow and तब भी रियल मैड्रिड और यूनाइटेड का क्रेज तो था ही लोगों में बट
रोनाल्डो का क्रेज था यू मीन.
हाँ वही बट देन in 2016 I was in Delhi for my vacation after I completed my 12th I guess, and earlier what was supposed to be a 1 week trip turned into 2 weeks, 2.5 because my sister wanted me to attend the first match screening of Liverpool. I don't remember against which team, but she convinced my father and we had to rebook my tickets. But that was that one game that actually, you know, made me fall in love with the community more and eventually with the team, but the sense of belonging and the acceptance as well, because when I went to watch that match, I wasn't that, up to date with footballing terms and even the team or anything. It was just the experience that I was looking for and I was open to, but the way they accepted it and they were like, हाँ first time में तो क्या हुआ, we all can enjoy. हाँ भाई भाई अपना तो that kind of just made me watch more and more and then
it's that sense of community. Shout out to Delhi Cop.
Yes. Conversion camp चल गया.
But when can you say that you arrived? I mean in terms of following football crazily, या फिर following Liverpool crazily. I mean like you just went because obviously I forced you to it, yeah, whatever. I wanted you to experience it. But when did you arrive in football in general? Was it 2016? I mean that year only ki next year या वैसे?
Next year, so 17, 18, those were the time जब I got more into football because I also kept on visiting Delhi, तो screening भी होती थी. And then because you start watching it, you start having those football talks with other people who watch, and then I also got a community in Surat who were Liverpool fans. So
I was going to come to that. Are you like the founding figure
no,
of Surat?
No. They so shout out to LFC Surat. They existed since 2013. Okay. But when I joined, I was one of the young bloods and keen कि भाई there should be more publicity, more marketing. So then they were like कि हम तो बूढ़े हो गए, you continue, and that just kept on going. So now it has come to a point where we have a couple of people who are those young bloods, you'll say, but we kind of ensure कि सारे बड़े games की screening हो रही है.
अभी भी young blood है.
So 22 years this boy stayed in Surat and he did not know these people, and all of a sudden these are these amazing friends that came into his life because of football.
Because it was not just match screenings that we went on to. There were turf plays that we used to go, and even those nights where you play 1.5 or 2 hours of football and then just chill around. So those kind of help.
You, in your office, you sit next to a Chelsea fan. How does that happen? How does that work?
uh, as he said, it keeps up the
Excitement
kicking,
चलता रहता है.
excitement चलता रहता है. Monday mornings are even more sometimes pretty, because if Liverpool जीती और Chelsea ना जीती हो तो मज़ा आता है कि मंडे ब्लूज बीट करने के लिए वो ब्लूज को ही बीट कर देते हैं.
काम में अफेक्ट करता है क्या? आई विल तेरे को नहीं दे रहा.
Not
लाइक तुझे ये
really.
चाहिए, आई विल नॉट.
वो टॉन्ट मिल जाता है उसको कि देख चेल्सी वाले हो के भी आई एम हेल्पिंग यू, बट ऐसे अफेक्ट नहीं होता. बट एक डर रहता है. सो मैंने ना वो लिवरपूल का बैज, इट्स हैंगिंग ऑन माय डेस्क. तो समटाइम्स आई फियर कि अगर मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा बोल दिया ना तो उस पर वो ब्लैक इंक लगा दे. तो वो एक रहता है. He did get pissed very much earlier this year when we won the league, and I had decorated my entire desk with.
I think I've seen that Insta story डाला था ना उसने.
Liverpool scarf, badge, and there was one more thing that I had, and it was all Liverpool, and he was like, "यार क्या है?" He got so annoyed, and I kept it for 2 days, especially because I just wanted him to get more annoyed, but then I removed everything.
But excitement बनता रहता है.
बहुत.
Amazing. I'll obviously, because I will tell my experience also. So I was a crazy cricket fan, but then somehow my interest from cricket kind of drifted apart after IPL started. And like मेरी life में एक void था sports का. And then I was in college, and I had a lot of my friends, they were all from Northeast and West Bengal, and these guys used to play football बहुत ही ज़्यादा. So I used to watch them play football, पर इतना interest नहीं था, like never took really so much interest into the game. But then I started dating a football fan. So if there's somebody who dates a football fan, they would know कि आपका सारा मतलब everything revolves around वो बंदे का mood कैसा है. कभी कभार अच्छी सी you are very happy and you're going on a date, but all of a sudden that guy is being an asshole because his team lost, or like जो भी. So or like things like that. So बहुत moods impact करते हैं आपके
ट्रांसफर नोटिफिकेशन आ गया, अरे ये जा रहा है.
हाँ, I mean anything, like like say for example Trent leaving and going to Real Madrid is like your wife divorcing you. I mean like it's like that.
Nah.
I mean it got bitter, but my point is it's like that. I mean it kind of translates into your relationship any day, every day. So because of that I used to kind of follow the scores, see क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है, ताकि पता चले ना आज अच्छा मूड है, आज शायद थोड़ी गिफ्ट मांग सकती हूँ. But then also because I used to watch him play, and I used to sit over there, and थोड़ा टोप का घोड़ा था. So I used to have these juniors also sitting besides me and then talk so much about him, and so मुझे समझना पड़ा. तो I started reading upon कि offside क्या होता है, like then it got into कि अच्छा ये football होता है, rather than just like 10, 12, 13 लोग एक ball के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. College, less people. But that's how
What is offside?
My foot on your head is offside.
You just said you
I will not tell you.
searched it and you understood.
I will not tell you. You entitled asshole. But my point is that's how I got into football. I did see you score from the midfield. तुम्हें लगेगा कि तुम्हें लगेगा कि मैंने नहीं देखा था, but I did see you score that goal. But then I started not following, but I used to like not really crazy fan, but I started following Barcelona की matches, and from there yeah it was a little bit because of Neymar, but yeah I started following Barcelona के matches. Not that crazy, like Barcelona did not decide my mood. But फिर just like Bhaumik said, I started going to Delhi Cop के screenings because of you. I was going through a rough time तब, and I just felt accepted, and it just felt like there's this place where I can just be whoever I want, nothing matters, and you'll have people still want to be with you or want to celebrate with you, and also that's how I got into Liverpool. And Liverpool definitely decides my mood. Liverpool also definitely like it's left, right, center in my life. Liverpool was like the central theme of our wedding. It was also a central theme of our kid being born. Like, we did not really have any pre-wedding shoots, but it was just me and you in a jersey, this same jersey, like on a wall with a phone and a torch, and we took some pictures. So that's Liverpool, and that's football. Have you guys, मतलब considering I know कि हम तीनों बहुत crazy ये करते हैं, have you had instances जहाँ पे people have judged you, या फिर तुमने बहुत ही extreme चीज़ें सुनी है लोगों से just because you follow a club? I'm like, or maybe you've had people who question your loyalty towards something which is not family or the quintessential things, acceptable things.
Yep. So, like when I joined my latest office, there were two Chelsea fans. One who sits beside me, and there was one more guy. So when they first came to know that I'm a Liverpool fan, they were like, "Why? ऐसा तो क्या है Liverpool में?" And then when they got to know that I have "You'll Never Walk Alone" tattooed on my arm, they made sure that for the first 6 months I always heard a joke about that tattoo on my arm.
So you were bullied.
Yeah, not bullied, but
It is bullying.
they always got an answer. But yeah, like, they would try to put me down, but ठीक है, we won the league, so it doesn't matter.
Was it the same year that we won the league?
Year after, but
Achha, but we were still doing good
yeah,
now.
we were still doing good, so it doesn't matter. And Chelsea was not. So.
Gunjan, have you had things like that? I mean, like, I know your father sometimes like, पागल हो क्या तुम लोग? Like, late night matches is like, क्या पागल हो तुम लोग? देखते रहते हो. I mean, like, he does that.
I mean, as a person who's so committed to his time and routine, right, it's difficult for him to understand कि कोई 12:30 को भी match, 12:30, 1:30 को भी match देख रहा है रात के. So that's how it is. But हाँ, I mean, for anyone who doesn't understand this frenzy and fanaticism around the team, right, difficult for them to grasp, because सारे social function होते ही ये weekends पे, और वहाँ पे भी मैच चलता रहता है फोन पे, तो कहीं पे भी शादी पार्टी वहाँ पे जाके कम से कम फोन निकाल के वहाँ पे देख रहा है, तो obviously ऐसा क्या है, it's nothing life ending, it's just a match, it's just a team, and not even a team जो यहाँ पे बैठी हुई है, and but it's difficult for them to understand. I know that, so I'm like, अच्छा ठीक है, it's just who I am, it's just how we are, it's okay.
But there's one thing I really love about your mom is उनको, like, she's also like majority of people, उनको ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आता है वैसे करके, but then she watches the match. Like, जैसे for your dad, like, if he calls and you tell him there's a big match that is going, he makes it a point, he's like, oh okay, I'll watch. But then when we are in Guwahati and if there's a match, like, it does not have to be a Liverpool match, कोई भी टीम की मैच चल रही है, प्रीमियर लीग वीक है, तो चलता रहता है टीवी पे बैकग्राउंड नॉइस टाइप, एंड शी ऑलवेज सिट्स एंड शी वॉचेस एंड शी एंजॉयज अ लॉट. एंड for those people who are like very particular कि हम 11 बजे सो ही जाएंगे, they've stayed up with us and they've watched Champions League की matches as well. So I mean, at least you are lucky that your parents understand your love for football and they're being a part of it rather than पीछे बैठ कर डांटते रहना.
I mean, see, I'm grateful for that also. I think all the tournaments and everywhere, I think, because obviously you need to be driven around quite a bit. So dad was always driving me around. Either if it was dad or if it was mom, whenever dad was not in town. So I had to be driven around, taken to places जहाँ tournaments चल रहे and all. And कभी-कभी ये होता है, it's just one match for the entire day. So you actually have to stay for the 90 minutes over there. So
we've had instances जहाँ पे I used to be in सूरत और मेरी दादी बहुत डांटती है, like, क्या लगा रखा है यार, क्यों पागलों की तरह चिल्ला रहे हो. I'm like, she wouldn't understand, but
dad used to watch. Dad still watches. Like, अभी 2 दिन पहले ही complained to me. He's like, यार मैचेस नहीं आ रही है देखने,
क्योंकि उनको और कुछ नहीं देखना होता है. like, यही लगा लो.
But he
like, according to dad, is like, बहिरा बगाड़ो सीरियल નથી આવતી. So might as well just watch football. But yeah, but I think I mean, I used to, the NGO that I used to work in, हम लोगों के जो sir थे वहाँ पे, he was not a fan of some club, but he was very well informed. So because he got to know कि I am a football supporter and then I follow Liverpool, he used to be somebody who used to make sure, like, so every Monday he used to have सारी teams के scores, क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, तुमने ये देखा वो नहीं देखा, like जैसे वो highlight I think देखते थे या matches ही देखते थे, but like we used to bond a lot, and then कभी कभार I go into an office and it was an open office और 1 घंटे तक हम फुटबॉल की ही बातें कर रहे हैं, and then I used to have other people in the office saying यार क्या है तुम पागल हो. We did not have a dress code, and also I used to wear jerseys and go sometime, and I used to have people be like, "Hey, pagal hai kya tu?" But like I've had, it's difficult for people to understand. Very true. Okay, so confession, we are right now in the first week of September, जहाँ पे अभी international break चल रही है. So we've had this season थोड़ा बहुत start हुआ है. You've had glimpses of how teams are doing. So we are going to take predictions for the next for this year. We'll go one by one. ठीक है. So we'll go with you, Bhomik, first. Premier League winner.
Liverpool.
Top 4.
Liverpool, Arsenal, Tottenham I feel might surprise a little bit this time, and Aston Villa.
Nice. Champions League winner.
The heart says Liverpool, but the mind says I think Barcelona or PSG.
Okay. Who do you think will be the top scorer in Premier League?
Ekitike,
Which team will get relegated?
Burnley, Sunderland, and Everton.
Everton. Grealish is playing good, man. First manager to get sacked.
भाई कौन है बता दे. चेल्सी का मैनेजर
Maresca.
Maresca.
I mean, so many managers, it's difficult to keep track at times.
Something exceptional you would want from this season.
United to start performing a little better. I mean, it would be fun to have the banter keep on going. Or probably Man City getting charged with those 115 legal games.
I support that. I support that. Gunjan will go with you.
Yeah.
Premier League winner.
Liverpool.
Top 4.
Liverpool, Arsenal, Chelsea, and probably I think Newcastle is in with a shout,
Even without Isaac.
even with the side.
Top scorer in Premier League.
I think that could be Isak.
Champions League winner.
I think it should be Barca or PSG between
Relegation.
Sunderland. I think Brentford might go down with all the sale they have had, and Burnley.
First manager to get sacked.
I think at the end of the day it might come to Amorim again, considering कि एक ही लीग ही बचा है, उसमें भी अगर हारते रहे, I don't think और कहीं जाने वाला है.
Thank you for somebody saying it. I mean, मैं बोल रही हूँ, that guy is getting sacked. I feel
I
bad
think
for
he
him.
has some leverage on the owners. That's why he's not getting sacked. मुझे तो लगा था you'd say Pep.
नहीं. Imagine Pep getting sacked and then
Yeah,
switching
no.
to United. Something unexpected from this season.
Something unexpected from this season. Probably these United guys not scoring as much. I mean, these guys got players who are proven in the Premier League, but I don't know if they will even fit into the system over there. So I think
What system?
जो भी बना के रखा है वहाँ पे
Trust the system.
trust the system. Trust the khichdi system.
How about Gomez scoring this season? Do you see it coming? Like he's never scored for Liverpool,
know.
right? So
Carabao
almost-
Cup में chance है. Penalty मिलने पे दे दी जाएगी.
4-5 साल से it is just it's coming वाली बात है, पता नहीं अभी.
okay, I have some fun scenarios. What if you could swap your life with one footballer? Who would it be?
I would want to swap my life with someone like Mario Balotelli जो था हमारे यहाँ पे. भाई free फोकट के इतने पैसे and then you just chill around, yeah. do nothing.
What about that hairstyle? Would you want?
That's okay, yaar. I think 6-7 years back we could actually rock it. अभी नोएडा आके स्कोप कम है.
वैसे तो गैरेथ बेल भी है
हाँ वो भी है
ना? You could also swap
That
lives.
also. गोल्फ खेलो
I
आराम
mean
से.
वही
पैसे भी
exactly.
मिलते रहेंगे.
स्टेडियम में बैठने के पैसे मिलते हैं. भौमिक, you?
Virgil van Dijk.
Why?
And he just tall, cold aura. I mean the pictures that he has been posting lately, cold aura.
Man crush. Do you have any favorite football meme that you really love?
I think it's that Van Gaal slipping. I think that was so iconic. I mean that his reaction to that, just to show how the foul happened. I think I go back to that meme all the time.
भौमिक.
Mourinho का एक meme है where he's sitting and
अच्छा, नहीं.
his assistant or someone is telling him something. He's very calm, composed, and just chilling. And I don't know, something happens and he just goes on running on the pitch.
Foul
Foul
Foul,
or
yeah.
something. Yeah, that is like the creators have ensured that they put most controversial opinions when that climax comes. But yeah.
There is also ये एक पेप का है where he's talking to somebody and ऐसा लगता है कि वो किसी से बात नहीं कर रहा, like ऐसे ऐसे वो करता रहता है. He's talking to somebody in the back पर पीछे कोई नहीं दिखता. वो भी बहुत funny है. There is one more, जैसे जब मोरिनियो था वो 3-0 या 3-0 was that 3 or 6 कौन सी एक्शन उसने की थी, है ना? That I won it 3 times and then I think
Respect.
and then I think against Liverpool only वो 3-0 हारे थे and then everybody was like how much did you lose? 3-0. I think that also became into a very crazy meme. मेरा all time favorite is Lucas का unlucky.
Unlucky.
Like I feel and it's a very Liverpool loved meme. वो बहुत जगह पे अभी भी use होता है after so many years. But that's my favorite meme. If there is one player from Liverpool, past or present, that you would want in ISL.
That I would want in Indian Super League.
हाँ.
Uh,
And 100% possibility है, considering Saudi तक तो आ ही गए सब.
हाँ,
बहुत
वही.
जल्दी ISL.
It's coming
ISL
closer.
रहे ना रहे, players आ जाएंगे.
I mean, I would love someone like either Torres or Gerrard to come.
Gerrard, would you want him to come for manager post?
No. He was a good player, but manager, I'm not so sure. I mean, Rangers he did wonders, but आगे पीछे उसके I don't know what he. It does not bode well for him.
Bowman.
Gerrard or Firmino, I don't know.
Firmino could come.
Humble guy.
Very humble. Imagine Salah coming. Oh my God.
Not happening.
Imagine, I said. The sentence started with imagine.
बॉबी तो वैसे भी आई थिंक गोवा में तो फिट ही हो जाएगा. लाइक पता चला ये माते वाते छोड़ो, लाइक यहाँ पे फेनी मिलता है. फेनी लेके आते घूमते.
Okay. If you could replace football with one object, what would it be?
The football with one object, I think it would be fun to have something like I don't know, like a bowling ball or something.
You want people to play or you want people to die?
I mean, it would be the slowest game ever. Probably the only winning margin would be 1-0, considering कितना slow it will just move across.
वो 90 minutes का match 90 hours हो जाएगा. ले बे आगे बढ़ भाई.
22 एम्बुलेंस बाहर खड़ी है.
फ्री किक तो कोई ऐसे डायरेक्ट ले ही नहीं सकता.
नॉर्मल किक भी कोई ले पाएगा.
हो जाएगा.
ट्राई करते हैं आज एक काम में चलते हैं ट्राई करते हैं.
उसके लिए bowling ball भी खरीदना पड़ेगा. The only bowling ball I have is the plastic वाला that Nior has. I mean you can try with that.
Yeah.
But any other options?
बलून.
उड़ जाएगा. I think जोर से किक
नहीं.
मारा तो वो उससे स्टड से तो टूट ही जाएगा, फूट ही जाएगा. I mean.
Still would be fun.
मुझे वो बाउंस वाला बॉल चाहिए.
बाउंसेबल.
चिंग.
हाँ सही है ना, एक को किक मारा सामने जा रहा है लग के.
हाँ, यहाँ से एलिसन इज लाइक चलो ठीक है गोल किक है मैं मारता हूँ, पता चला सीधा वहाँ पे. अंदर.
Sure.
I mean, wishful thinking, you never know.
क्रिकेट जैसा होगा ना फिर तो एक बाउंस गिर के सीधा स्टेडियम के बाहर बॉल.
हाँ, वो भी fun होगा. Like you could have been supportive, like हाँ that would be fun. They're like ये क्या गधी क्या बोल रही है? What if you replace a referee? No referees in the game. How do you keep it fair?
Then the calls can be taken via maybe public polling or something. Live वहाँ पे.
पर 90 मिनट का call फिर 90 मिनट से तो exceed ही हो जाएगा.
Extra time 45 minutes more.
We can also keep like a jury. जैसे US में they get letters ना कि you've been called.
हाँ.
Like something like that जहाँ पे you have to sit in that box and then majority जो भी बोलता है उस हिसाब से वो calls दिए जाएंगे.
Coin toss. Best luck पे.
अगर
Yeah.
heads हुआ तो foul, tails हुआ तो no
हाँ.
foul. वो भी fun है but वो भी I think 90 minutes से exceed हो जाएगा.
कैसे? It's a quick heads tails.
वहाँ पे side पे coaches करते रहेंगे है ना?
वही.
या तो वहाँ पे ही उनसे ये खिलाते लाइक पेनल्टी शूट आउट की जगह ये सब की जगह वो लगोड़ी या कुछ वहीं पे मार सट्टू लगोड़ी.
ऑडियो कर रहे दोनों कोचेस. ऑडियो ऑल. नो फॉल.
जब तक ओनाना को ना दे सब चलेगा. ये सब काम के लिए.
क्या पता he might be good in all of that. Goalkeeping छोड़ के बाकी सब में I have PhD. Okay. If there was one rule that you could introduce football में, what would that be?
Probably coaches also having to come down after all the 11 players are done in a penalty shootout.
T-shirt. भौमे
टाइम आउट. मतलब वो if it's a minor foul, the player has to sit out for 10 minutes or 5 minutes.
what
The
if
sin bin.
हाँ but
और-
then he'll be like I don't want sin bin.
Or undo on the player change. Like if a substitution has happened and the substituted player is not playing well, वापस भेजा.
तू जा यार तूने अच्छा नहीं
And
खेला.
that is allowed within the first 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If 10
5
minutes
मिनट तो लेकिन सेटअप होने में ही होता है ना.
you snooze, you lose.
You could also have like time out में like you can also choose तुम्हारा instead of card मतलब अगर तुम्हारा येलो कार्ड है तो तुम बाहर जाके कान पकड़ के खड़े रहो और रेड कार्ड है तो उठक बैठक करो. Like you could have that as punishment.
Sure.
Or maybe anything like you if you have a foul सामने वाली टीम if it's a cardable foul तो तुमको penalty मतलब सामने वाली टीम को penalty मिलेगी. मेरे पे फाउल करो I will take a penalty. I'm like that could also be a rule. Okay, I have a rapid fire. I have 2 different rapid fires for both of you. Gunjan, considering तुम काफ़ी documentaries और series और ये सारी चीज़ें काफ़ी देखते हो, so this is all the documentaries that have been made on OTT. So you just have to pick the best of the 2. We'll start. Okay, All or Nothing Arsenal or All or Nothing Tottenham?
All or nothing Tottenham.
All or Nothing Tottenham or Sunderland Till I Die?
All or nothing Tottenham.
All or Nothing Tottenham, you're welcome to Wrexham.
Wrexham was fun. Welcome to Wrexham.
Did you start following that team just because of the documentary?
And the star power. Yeah.
Welcome to Wrexham, yeah, take us home Leeds United.
Take us home Leeds United.
Take us home Leeds United, yeah, All or Nothing Man City.
Take us home Leeds United. That is a very good documentary.
You recommend everybody should watch it?
I think so, yeah. I mean, there's loads of drama that happened over there, along with that entire Daniel James controversy.
अगर documentaries को छोड़ के if there is one football movie that you would suggest people to watch, what would that be?
The original, the Goal series. Not the one, not the Bollywood one. not John Abraham and Arshad Orji.
I judged you for 2 seconds later. Bhowmik, this or that for you. Referees, mics or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
VAR, yes or no? Premier League or La Liga?
Premier League.
Sin bin, yes or no?
No.
cheater. Premier League की Champions League.
Premier League.
World Cup after 4 years or after 2 years.
After 4 years.
One player you could buy back. Trent ki Coutinho.
Coutinho.
If Liverpool had only these two managers to pick from, Mourinho ki Guardiola.
Mourinho.
Goalkeeper, if Liverpool has to pick from either of these, Onana ki Karius.
Careers any day. He had a couple of bad games, not a bad career.
ठीक है. This is the last segment. You have these boards जो मैंने रखा है वहाँ पे, तुम्हारा यहाँ पे है, and there are pens on the table. We are to name one Avenger. Like we are creating an assembly of Avengers based on players. It could be players or managers, past, present, कोई भी. But you have to write the names of the players you feel best fits this. ठीक है? So, Iron Man.
Any player.
हाँ. I mean, it does not have to be Premier League का भी, any player. Past, present, retired, rest in peace, anybody. Manager, anybody.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. I mean, he is the most loaded one.
Exactly. And the arrogance.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is Captain America. Endo. I'm very curious why.
Captain?
I still feel like Van Dijk has a better captain run than Endo. Hulk. I would pick Shaqiri only for his calves. His hulky, bulky.
Adama
करते हुए जो आता है वो.
And the fact is, for Traore, he says that he has never been to gym. Like,
Yeah.
Okay. Next we have Thor.
Thor.
The one with the best hair. That too.
Like, he has long hair.
Yeah.
Thor hair. Okay, next we have Thanos. Why? He doesn't even have any trophy.
Yeah.
Thanos at least had all the rings.
But he is going behind it all the time, but not getting
But
it.
he had the rings.
Yeah.
I mean, it's your pick. I won't judge you. Nick Fury.
I mean, his iconic celebration was one eye closed.
Hawkeye. Next is Hawkeye.
Hate to do this, but okay.
I'm going to rep my new boy.
I mean, he was good. He was good with his assist.
Yeah, that's right.
Last Vision.
Gerard for me.
Thiago.
Becker. Nice. Amazing. Thank you for this entertaining Avengers party with Premier League players. But like I said, मैंने पहले बोला था, this is our international break. Next weekend से matches वापस start हो जाएगी. Are you guys excited? Now that the window is closed, we did not get the defender that we wanted, but Isak is finally here.
Yes, I think this season will be crazy only because the amount of money clubs have pumped, right, in terms of getting new players.
Very busy transfer window.
Very busy, very dramatic till the last day. I mean, with all these players till the deadline day, we did not know whether it will cross the line or not. Bad luck with Gehi. I feel we still need a centre back, but excited. I mean,
Winter season is here.
I think
I mean,
that's
Jack
what they're
transfer.
looking at. Probably he'll probably leave on a free transfer only then.
Next year,
Yeah.
and we'll have somebody.
Hopefully
substitute.
someone from academy to stepping up. Till then, so maybe another Nat Phillips story.
Yeah. But
That I feel would be the Nugo striker that we have.
do you guys
18-year-old.
feel first half में like whatever जो 3 matches अभी तक जो हुई है, has it kept up to the excitement that you guys had? I mean, how was it? Liverpool being Liverpool, सारे वो last minute goals and all of it में.
But
I mean,
we are still conceding, so that is, and we have to rely on these last minute ones. But hopefully, going ahead, we stop.
We need more stability.
Yeah.
was the Soboslai goal the best goal you've seen in a while?
Oh, that was
Yeah,
crazy.
definitely.
I feel for me that was the best goal after Alisson's goal.
That,
That
it's right up there.
है ना?
Moreover, since like last year after we won, everyone was like Arsenal will do it, trust the process, blah 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 shit. जो उनका हर साल होता है,
हाँ.
like successfully coming second every year, but
Consistency is the key. I mean, they've been
But
very
वो-
consistent
so
with that.
keeping all that in mind, it was important that the third game, first 2 games we won by close margins. So it was important that in that game at least we don't lose. Or I would have still be a little unhappy with a draw, but that would have still been like okay, we did not concede at least. But winning it with a single goal was next level.
That was Pucci
Yeah.
performance.
Perfect.
Do you guys have any superstitions when it comes to football?
I do, but I'm not going to disclose.
Because of superstition.
My superstition is telling that I don't have a superstition. Is it like that? But yeah,
But you guys make me do crazy things. I mean, like, agar मान के चलो, if there's a match, which is a very important match. Like, I remember it was Liverpool City, and you guys made me cook biryani. And then every time there's a Liverpool match, you guys forced me to cook biryani. So you guys have done that with
Yeah.
me. I mean, whatever.
That
छोटी
reminds
मोटी-
me, when is next City match?
Oh,
दावत-
we did not win that match. वो draw हुआ था, and उसके बाद हमने नई बनाई थी बिरयानी.
that's why we dropped it.
But repeat होता रहता है. I'm like, you guys do that with me. We've done it with बेचारा नियोर. वो तपती गर्मी में हम उसे जर्सी पहनाते
यार
थे.
AC ऑन कर दिया था उसके लिए, ठीक है.
But remember the Arsenal match में, remember how it went.
So it's right now it's cheesecakes for both the
Kids.
Yeah.
But it's not direct cheesecakes. I'll tell you. That was me and Nior sitting on the sofa doing. कौन सा गाना गा रहे थे हम लोग? रघुपति राघव. Like कोई तो भजन गा रहे थे. And then I was like, pray to your gods. Cheesecake मिलेगा तुझे. Went to Oscar pray to your Chinese gods. And we won. And उन दोनों को cheesecake मिली थी. So
Yes.
Good, yeah.
Liverpool won
Deservedly
only
so.
because of those Chinese Shih Tzu dogs and gods, and because of whatever bhajan that me and Nior were singing. Trust me, that's the only reason why Liverpool won.
Sure.
But I mean, yeah, we do follow these traditions, right? We used to lock Mumpy in the room जब match होती थी. Your sister. या रचित को हम बोलते थे घर पे आना, लेकिन 90 minutes बाद आना प्लीज. नहीं, अभी मैच है तो पनौती है. So we've done that as well. Crazy
Yep.
superstitions. Yeah. Do I have anything else to discuss? No? Okay, so that is it once again, thank you so much. We are going to revisit this again, hopefully with other football fans as well from different clubs. Taki this does not become like a Liverpool
podcast.
No, not a Liverpool podcast. This would become like a Liverpool transition camp. Like we're moving everybody to, hey, to Liverpool follow kar do. We don't want to do that. So next time we'll try and come with more football fans, bringing more football stories, how sports means to them, and yeah, just some banter and love. So until next time, ta-ta.